Welcome to Tech Collective. Today, we bring you the top 10 best performing S&P 500 stocks of 2020. Before we continue, make sure to give us a thumbs up, like our video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon so you can be updated anytime we here at Tech Collective post a new video. Number 10 is Idexx Laboratories Inc. Idexx Laboratories Inc. develops, manufactures, and distributes products and serves the veterinary testing markets for pets and livestock. The company sells a line of portable electrolytes and blood gas analyzers for the medical diagnostic market meant for human care. Its segments include information and diagnostic technology-based products and services for the veterinary market, which the company calls Pet Group, water quality products, diagnostic products and services for animal health, a human care pharmacy line, and licensing agreements. Its veterinary diagnostic care products and services include tools, consumables, and rapid test kits. Idexx Laboratories Inc. stock has risen 74% in 2020. Number 9 is ServiceNow Incorporated. ServiceNow Incorporated is a provider of cloud computing solutions that defines structures, manages, and automates services for global companies. The set of cloud-based services they provide automates workflow within a company and departments. It provides workflow solutions and focuses on customer service management, human resources, security operations, and service management for other business departments. The platform can also create business-oriented applications for customers alone or with their company-wide partners. The company offers its software over the internet as a service. It markets its services to a wide range of industries, including financial services, consumer products, information technology services, health, government, education, and technology. The data center includes Australia, Brazil, Canada, Hong Kong, the Netherlands, Singapore, Switzerland, the United Kingdom, and the United States. ServiceNow shares gained 92.6% in 2020. Number 8 is Cadence Design Systems Incorporated. The company, founded on April 8, 1987, offers solutions that enable customers to design electronic products. The company's product categories include functional checking, integrated circuit or IC, design and closure, custom digital circuit design and verification, system interconnection and analysis, and intellectual property IP. The company's functional verification products are used to verify that the circuit or software is designed to work properly. Their digital circuit design preferences are used to create representations of a digital or integrated circuit to check their accuracy before use. Its custom IC design and verification offerings are used to create schematic and physical representations of transistor-level circuits for analogy, mixed designs, personal digital signal, memory, and radio frequency (RF). Its system interconnects and analyzes offerings are used to develop printed circuit boards, PCBs, and IC packages. Designed IP offerings are functional blocks that customers integrate into their integrated circuits for the development process. Its product offerings include electronic design automation software, hardware simulation and prototyping, interconnection, and systems analysis. Cadence Design provides integrated circuit and electronic device design services, and the stock rallied by 94.2% in the year 2020. Number 7 is Advanced Micro Devices Incorporated. Advanced Micro Devices Incorporated, AMD, founded on May 1, 1969, is a worldwide semiconductor company. They offer x86 microprocessors as standalone devices or is incorporated into an accelerated processing unit, APU, with integrated GPU technology, discrete graphics processing units, GPUs, and professional graphics cards, server and embedded processors, and semi-custom system-on-chip SoC products. Business segments include the IT and graphics segment and the business, root, and semi-custom segment. The computer and graphics segments consists of desktop and laptop processors and chipsets, discrete GPUs, and professional graphics. The enterprise, root, and semi-custom segment consists primarily of server and embedded processors, semi-custom SoC products, development services, game console technology, and parts of the intellectual property portfolio. The company sells its products through a direct sales force and independent distributors and sales representatives in national and international markets. Microprocessor customers mainly include original equipment manufacturers, OEMs, original design manufacturers, ODMs, system builders, and independent distributors in domestic and international markets. Advanced Micro Devices gaining 104.9% on the strength of investor optimism related to online gaming, cloud computing, and other tech themes. Number 6 is the Albemarle Corporation. Albemarle Corporation formed on November 24, 1993. It's a global developer, manufacturer, and marketer of highly designed specialty chemicals. The company has 3 segments: lithium and advanced materials, bromine specialties, and refining solutions. The lithium and advanced materials segment have 2 product categories: lithium and catalytic performance solutions. The bromine and bromine-based business include products used in firefighting solutions and other specialized chemical applications. The company offers a wide range of the latest markets, such as oil refining, electronic consumption, energy storage, construction, automotive, lubricants, pharmaceuticals, crop protection, food safety, and customized chemical services. Lithium producer Albemarle shares gained 104.9% hike in 2020. Number 5 is L Brands Incorporated. L Brands Incorporated started on March 16, 1982. The company has a specialized retail business. The company focuses on the categories of personal clothing, personal care, and fragrances for the home. Business segments include Victoria's Secret, Bath & Body Works, and Victoria's Secret and Bath & Body Works International. The company sells through its specialty retail stores in the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, and Greater China, and Hong Kong, which are headquartered in a mall, through international websites and franchises, licenses, and wholesale partners. The company operates in retail markets, including Victoria's Secret, Pink, Bath & Body Works, and La Senza. La Senza is a specialty store for personal clothing for women. On January 28, 2017, the company sold La Senza products to more than 120 La Senza stores in Canada and online at www.lasenza.com. The stock of L Brands Inc. has taken a hike of 114.2% in the year 2020. Number 4 is PayPal Holdings Incorporated. Established on January 30, 2015, PayPal Holdings Incorporated is a digital payment technology company that enables digital and mobile payments on behalf of consumers and merchants. The company's combined payment solutions, including PayPal, PayPal Credit, Braintree, Venmo, Zoom, and Paydiant, make up its payment platform. The company has a global technology platform that connects customers, merchants, and consumers worldwide to facilitate payment transaction processing, enabling merchants and consumers to connect. The company allows customers to buy their amount for purchases and to pay for goods and to transfer and withdraw cash. It allows consumers to exchange money with merchants through a variety of sources of finance, including bank account, PayPal account balance, and PayPal credit account, credit and debit card, or other stored value products such as coupons and gift cards. The company offers individual payment, P2P solutions, to customers through its websites and its PayPal, Venmo, and Zoom mobile apps. Continuing with the theme of social distancing beneficiaries, PayPal shares jumped 117.9% in 2020 thanks to a surge in online transactions. Number 3 is Nvidia Corp. Nvidia Corp, founded on February 24, 1998, is based on personal computer graphics, graphics processing unit, GPU, and artificial intelligence, AI. The company serves its customers through PC, mobile, and cloud architecture. The company has 2 parts, a GPU and a Tegra processor, all based on a basic architecture. The company's processor has created platforms that drive 4 markets: gaming, professional image, data center, and automotive. The company's GPU product brands are targeted at niche markets, including GeForce for gamers, Design Quadrant, Tesla, and DGX for AI data scientists and big data researchers, and for those who use visual computing in the grid cloud. The company's Tegra brand integrates the entire computer into a single chip and multi-core CPUs to drive supercomputers for gaming and mobile entertainment devices, as well as autonomous robots, drones, and cars. Nvidia, with tremendous momentum, continued with another 119.2% gain in 2020. Number 2 is Etsy Incorporated. Etsy Incorporated, formed on February 14, 2006, connects people from all over the world, online and offline, to sell and buy merchandise. The company provides a wide range of services and tools to help entrepreneurs start, grow, and manage their businesses. The business community includes Etsy sellers, Etsy buyers, Etsy employees, its partners, and investors. As of December 31, 2016, its platform connected 1.7 million active Etsy sellers and 28.6 million active Etsy buyers. Etsy marketers join their community to participate in markets and express their creativity. Etsy traders range from amateurs to professional traders and have many personal and professional goals. They contribute to a team of artists, creators, designers, and collectors from around the world. Its service platform includes vendor services, vendor tools, and education. Americans stuck at home with nothing to do turned to Etsy in 2020. The stock joined the S&P 500 in September, and it is up 302% year to date. Number 1 is Tesla Incorporated. Tesla Incorporated, first created by Tesla Motors Incorporated on July 1, 2003, designs, develops, manufactures, and sells electric vehicles and energy storage systems, as well as installing, operating, and maintaining solar and energy storage products. The company operates in 2 parts: energy production and storage, and automotive. The automotive segment includes the design, development, manufacture, and sale of electric vehicles. The energy generation and storage segment includes the design, production, installation, and sale or lease of fixed energy storage products and solar energy systems to households and commercial customers, or the sale of generated electricity for solar energy systems to customers. On December 31, 2016, the company manufactured and sold 2 all-electric vehicles, the Model S Coat and a Model X Sport Utility Vehicle, or SUV. It also offers Model 3, a coat designed for the mass market. The company sells vehicles through its own sales and service network. It offers energy storage products, including an integrated power inverter for Powerwall 2 and Power Pack 2 applications of 200 kilowatts or 14 kilowatt hours. The Tesla gained a hike of 693.2% by December 2020, more than triple the return of any stock that spent the entire year in the index. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you liked it. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up, comment below which part you liked the most, subscribe to our channel, and make sure to click that bell icon so you can be updated anytime Tech Collective posts a video.